we got a CSX Westbound train down the line. We are at Bayview Road at Blasdell, New York. Before we get into this video, want to get this video a big thumbs up, subscriber, and turn on post notifications, and let's get some trains right now. Wait, where's the train? Oh, it's coming. I heard something, so I heard a fuel, so it must be a train. I didn't need to just close the gates early, so might have heard something. There it is. Using track number 3, I guess. Is that BNSF? They're like BNSF right here. Look at that. In the quiet zone. BNSF, all right. That was a cool catch to start the video. Symbol on this train is CSX G108. The G108 originates from Albany, New York, heads west to Cicero, Illinois, where it terminates on this Saturday, September 9th, 2023 by Brendan the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Alright, we got a CSX Westbound train down the line. Been waiting for a fucking like 2 hours for this shit. About time I caught something. This will be my last train and then I'll leave. So let's get the action. Symbol on the train is CSX IO17. The IO17 originates from Worcester, Massachusetts, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at Bedford Park. Ignore this crossing. And that's going to be the last train that we're going to catch in this video. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos.